The F22 error code indicates a problem with the door lock. This issue can be caused by a door lock obstruction or a faulty control board. To fix the problem, resetting the washer is a potential solution, as it may resolve temporary glitches. This can be done by disconnecting the washer from the power source, waiting for 10 minutes, and then reconnecting and turning it on to see if the issue is resolved. Inspecting the door lock is also necessary, which involves opening the washer door, accessing the lock, and examining for any visible debris, dirt, dust, or damage that may be obstructing the door. If debris is present, it should be removed, and the door lock should be cleaned with a soft cloth or sponge and warm water if dirt and dust are present. If the lock is damaged, it may need to be replaced. The control board, which is the brain of the washer, should also be checked, as a faulty board can cause the F22 error code to appear. If the board is in poor condition, it may need to be replaced, which may require the help of a qualified technician. If the problem persists after trying these steps, it is recommended to contact a qualified technician for further assistance.